Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera kepada Puan Faimah. Hari ini saya akan bentangkan problem based assignment. Ahli kumpulan saya terdiri kepada diri saya Nur Ain Atika binti Aris Fadila dan rakan saya iaitu Aziz Ashira binti Nur Hijam. Okey, Introduction. Cloud computing lets people use app and store data on the internet instead of using their own computer. It is useful, fast, and help save money. In this assignment, we will talk about visualization and container, how to keep data safe when using the cloud, and how cloud computing help business during busy time. Question 1. Compare visualization and container. When to use which one? Question 1. Visualization. Visualization work like full computer. Each VM has its own operating system. They are good for running apps that need strong security and full system control. Use VM for large application or app that don't change often. Container pula. Container are lightweight and share the host operating system. They are faster to start and use fewer resources than VM. Use container when you need to run many small apps or when apps need to scale fast. Performance and resource management comparison. Future VM and container. Speed slow. VM ni slower to start, container ni faster to start. Resource usage pula, VM ni more heavier lah. Container ni less lighter. Isolation dia, VM ni strong lah, spray OS. Kalau container ni less strong lah sebab share OS. Portability, VM less portable, container ni highly portable. Best for VM ni complex apps, and container microservice DevOps. Questions 2. Security step before, during, and after moving the cloud. Before migration, first risk assessment, check what data is sensitive. Second, choose trusted cloud provider. Make sure the provider has strong security. Third, data backup all data before moving. And last, access control setup. Limit who can access what. During migration, data encryption. Encrypt data while moving it. Second, secure network. Use VPN or secure channel. And last, monitor activity and watch for any suspicious access or error. After migration, first, encryption at rest. Keep data encrypted in the cloud. Second, access control. Use multi-factor authentication. Enroll. Third, compliance. Follow law like GDPR or ISO standard. 4. Regular update. Keep software and system update. Last, audit and monitor. Keep law and monitor to unusual activity. Okay, extra strategy. Encryption, protect data from being read by others. Access control, only the right people can access. Compliance, make sure your system follow legal rules.
Assalamualaikum, saya Azia Ashira. Hari ini saya akan bentangkan untuk jawapan question 3. Consider a business that need to scale its operation during peak sales season. Question 3A. How cloud computing help in scaling operation? Cloud computing help business scale by offering on-demand, flexible resources to handle sudden traffic spike, segi benefit dia ada 6. First, dia ada scalability, maksudnya kita boleh tambah atau kurangkan resources ikut keperluan. Second, ada elasticity, sistem akan adjust sendiri bila ada perubahan pada kerja. Yang ketiga, dia pay as you go. Kita cuma bayar untuk apa yang kita guna. Macam tak membazir lah. Yang keempat, dengan load balancing traffic, dia diagih ke beberapa server. Jadi dia tak overload. Yang kelima, dengan adanya CDN, Content Delivery Network, content boleh sampai cepat ke user dekat mana-mana. Dan yang terakhir, disaster recovery. Kalau satu server down, ada backup. Kalau ada backup, terus jalan. Contoh servis yang boleh bantu auto scaling, load balancer, CDN, serverless function dan monitoring tool. Untuk question B, how does auto scaling in the cloud work and what are its advantages for business with fluctuating demand? Macam mana dia bekerja, auto scaling ni dia akan monitor macam CPU dan traffic. Bila traffic naik, dia akan tambah server sendiri. Bila kurang, dia akan kurangkan. So, kita tak perlu nak buat secara manual. Advantages dia ada 4. Yang pertama, cost effective. Banyak untuk apa yang kita guna je. Yang kedua, performance. Dia boleh handle traffic spike dengan sempurna, dengan mudah. Yang ketiga, automation. Sistem ni dia akan jalan sendiri. Yang keempat dan yang terakhir lah, reliability. Servis tak down walaupun traffic tinggi. Itu saja.
Okay, conclusion. Cloud computing is helpful for running apps, keeping data safe and helping business grow. Visual machine and container have different use. We also need to protect data when moving to the cloud. Cloud service like auto scaling make it easier to handle more user during busy time. That's all from our team and thank you.